Welcome to the Silkwork Studio. We had to do a live session today because we have a lot of new arrivals. So if you are picking up one for Ugadi or if you are taking something for the upcoming wedding season, then I thought we should immediately show it to you all. So that's why we had to plan a live session very quickly after yesterday. So if you are there in our live session today, please let us know. Uh, Please comment and let us know that you are there. Please give us your hearts and your likes always, like you always support us. Thank you so much. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes and we'll start showcasing you the sarees.
Shweta says hi.
Hi Shweta, welcome.
Another Shweta says hi.
Hi Shweta.
Anjali says hi.
Hi Anjali, welcome.
Evangeline
Hi
said
Eva.
hi, Joe.
Hi Eva. So we have a lot of very good collection, all of them again priced less than 3,000. So a beautiful set of sarees, very good, ideal for casual wear or for a small occasion function wear. And yeah, we have a few semi silk sarees also which can be worn for weddings, like if you are a wedding guest or something, so which is really grand. So we have them, and the rest are all fancy cotton sarees, fancy linen sarees. So it's a new collection altogether which we haven't seen. So shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first one I'm showcasing to you a very beautiful color.
Komal said hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hi Komal, fine. I am fine. How are you? The price of the saree is 2750. As you all know, with the increasing number of cases, guys, please stay safe. Please be at home. So we have a beautiful saree. It's in a sort of a lavender shade.
Akshaya said waiting for you to show the sari, ma'am.
Hi Akshaya. We started.
No,
No worries now.
I'm reading the comment little late.
Okay, yeah, probably. So it's a beautiful color. So when you're pinning it up, you can see that the saree is very flexible, very soft. So it will give you an excellent drape, definitely. That's the pallu. It comes with a very grand pallu and comes with a plain blouse like this. But
Sarji says you have got awesome collections. I just love them all.
Thank you, Saji. Thank you. So it's a beautiful sari in a very pretty shade. We have multiple pieces, so if you are interested, please take this. And
Sai Selvi says simple look today, cute as you. As
thank you,
always.
Sai Selvi. Guys, that sari, I'm sorry, I don't have multiple pieces. I only have 2 pieces of that color. And
Shalini says, hey Joanna, join at perfect time. How are you?
hi
Happy
Shalini,
Easter.
fine, I'm fine Shalini, thank you.
Any Mangalagiri silk cotton?
I'm just going to show you one of it. Okay, so again this is a very beautiful sandal shade, sandana color.
Can you tell the price?
2750.
Previous one?
2750. So as I told you, the sari is going to give you a very beautiful drape. It is weightless, okay, not very heavy. If you will probably like this fabric.
Is
And
it
comes
lilac color? The previous
yeah,
one.
it's somewhere between lavender and lilac and a mauve shade also. Or madri, it is not fully lavender. Lavender இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் light இருக்கும். It's still a darker shade. So like, this one is also like a golden color, not too goldish, but between gold and sandal shade.
Are these Dupion silk?
No, these are semi silks, not the pure ones. The next
Lakshmi
one.
says super colors.
Thank you, Lakshmi. First one is beautiful. I know it is going to. I just have 2 pieces of that, guys. If you are interested, please take. And I haven't uploaded any of these on our website still. Because yesterday we had a very hectic day after yesterday's live with all the packing and all. So I'll be uploading them soon after the show. Okay, so this is a mustard shade,
The material is semi-silk.
semi, not the pure one. This is a beautiful, it comes with a beautiful pallu and comes with a plain blouse.
Please bring some Mangalagiri collection.
Mangalagiri we always bring. Almost every show we have Mangalagiri.
Archana says super color.
Thank you, Archana. Okay, next one, silver. It's favorite for many again.
Asha says mustard silk is very nice.
Yeah, all the colors we have. Ella color super ana colors. Full silver, good to be worn for a wedding. Okay, Kerala brides, if anybody of y'all are watching, it's so beautiful. That's the pallu.
Anita says hi Joe, good evening.
Hi Anita, good evening. That's the blouse. Hope everybody is safe and sound. Stay indoors, guys. That's the sari. 2750 is the price.
Madhuri says hi ma'am, greyish silver suits you, same like your kurti. Are they
I
soft?
love grey color. That's why I have so many kurtis in grey.
Are they soft?
Yeah, they are all of them. What I'm showing you is all very soft today. All of them, all of the saris that I'm showing you today is all soft. Okay, so this sari is, it's a raw silk. It's a semi raw silk sari priced at 2650. It comes with a beautiful border, very traditional style border. Okay, beautiful sari, and that's the pallu.
Sunita says love this one.
Thank you, Sunita.
She needs this.
Definitely take it up. Comes with a checked style, small checks style raw silk, semi raw silk blouse. Okay, it's a beautiful sari, beautiful color combo. Like a Kanchivaram design, it is traditional, like how a traditional Kanchivaram design would be. It is in that style. So priced at, I think I told you the price, 2650 is the price. One side is a tissue border.
Anushanti says love this.
Thank you, Anisha. Okay, the next one again 2650 in my favorite color combination, which is a grey.
Show some vegan silk sarees.
Spam, ah?
No.
Okay.
Semi silk, is
Oh,
it
somebody's
a
asking to show vegan
Yeah.
silk sarees. Okay. So this one's in a grey with a blue. Okay, it's a beautiful color combo.
Is it
Grey
okay
with-
if we message you in WhatsApp for the sari?
Please message.
Are these uploaded on website?
That's what I was talking. We haven't uploaded, guys, because of that's the blouse. Okay, we had yesterday, you know, we had a live session yesterday, and because of that we were very busy today, and with all this new release and all, we were quite held up. So I'll be uploading the sarees tonight on the website. Okay, but before that, if you would like to block anything, please message us. I'll be responding to your WhatsApp messages and Instagram messages. Facebook, if you all are watching us on Facebook, please do not message us on Facebook, because it is my Facebook Messenger has some problem. I am unable to read your messages. So please WhatsApp us or Instagram messages.
Is semi silk a combo of pure silk and polyester?
No, pure silk is not there at all. It is only synthetic silk. Okay, so this is a beautiful golden tissue sari. Okay, with golden zari borders and polka dots, of course, priced at 1950. A beautiful sari. We have multiple pieces. If you are interested, please pick it up. Okay, the sari will be semi-transparent because it is a tissue sari, but definitely you should be wearing it with the blouse which comes with the sari. It comes with the same running blouse, so it wouldn't be see-through. Like, okay, it wouldn't be that transparent. So when you're wearing it with the same color. So it's a beautiful sari priced at 1950. It's a golden tissue sari with polka dots.
Evangeline says, OMG, all are pretty.
Thank you. Weightless. The sari is also weightless.
The material is semi-silk, right?
No, no.
Which one? The last one was tissue.
Previous one?
Adukku munadi semi raw silk.
She's reading the comment little late.
Oh yeah. Okay, so now somebody was asking for Mangalagiri silk cotton. We have loaded pieces of this because it is in huge demand after DD wore the sari. So we have brought this stock. Okay, price of this sari is 3,500 rupees.
Asha says, even my favorite color is grey and blue.
Oh wow.
Sunita says, this is very beautiful.
Yes, Sunita. That I think Sunita is talking about the golden sari.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a Mangalagiri handloom silk cotton sari priced at 3,500. If somebody wants a bridesmaid, for about 5-6 people or about 10 people, or you want to share it with your friends, same sari, we have stock, we have loads and loads of these, and we have asked to weave in our looms. So it is already, we have many saris stocked up, so if you are interested, you can message us for the sari. Price of this is 3,500. Comes with a pallu. That's the blouse.
Can you repeat the material again? Someone missed it.
Mangalagiri silk cotton. The one I'm showing you is Mangalagiri silk cotton.
Preeta says, wow, this looks exquisite.
Thank you, Preeta.
Her friend.
Okay.
Preeti or Preeta?
Preeta.
Okay. Sunita said, block this for me. Which one?
Sunita just messaged me because my husband is reading all the messages a little late because of the delay.
Husband is
No,
reading
he
at
is not
50.
reading it purposefully late. It is because of the delay in Instagram. So please message me on WhatsApp and I will definitely block it for you.
Pratibha said, super. Just going through and wait. Spooty said, am I late? Yeah, obviously you bought this blue one yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Sanjana.
Sanjana, yeah.
Yeah.
She messaged me also.
And Janani said, pretty white.
So now we have a beautiful
Just give
sari.
a break, we'll finish the comment, then you can carry on.
Okay.
Aishwarya says, I need this blue one.
Yes, definitely message us, guys.
And Sunita says, yes, golden.
Okay. We have, I think we have 2 or 3 pieces in the gold one.
Can you show me the lilac color sari again, please?
No, you have to wait till the live gets over and then you can watch it on our IGTV again. We'll be saving the live session because again to pull it out and show and all, it is very difficult. So we don't do that.
Any other colors in this? The previous one maybe?
The Mangalagiri silk cotton, we have a lot of colors. You can check in the Mangalagiri section in our website. I'll tell you the website address. It is www.thesilkwalkstudio.com. Okay, thesilkwalkstudio.com. Okay, so now we are going to see a few saris. This sari is priced at 1950. A beautiful linen cotton sari with a border on both sides in a pastel shade of a mint. It's a mint shade. A beautiful color. That's the pallu. How gorgeous is that? Okay, and that's the blouse. That's the blouse.
Archana in Facebook, she told I want this sari. Blue.
Yeah, please block it. Message us at 7676025364. We are already getting a lot of messages I could hear. If you like any of the saris, please message us. And this is priced at 1950. Best of rates, guys. Pick it up. Beautiful sari and very beautiful material also. The fabric is very nice. Okay, the next one we have yellow.
Archana is confused.
And one more thing, if somebody wants to block a sari, they pay the amount and the next day somebody says, I don't want the sari. it's really difficult for us guys. So to find another person to sell that sari, it is really difficult. Okay, so please wait. If you like the sari, then only book. Okay, so this is in a yellow shade.
Neha says beautiful color.
Thank you, Neha. So yellow with zari borders on both sides. Price of this sari is 1950. It comes with a beautiful pallu. That's the attraction. And that's the blouse. Pastel colors, nowadays we are getting a lot of saris, but in the madri zari work oda, in the body it has a lot of zari work.
Vijay said hi, Jono.
In the madri zari work oda, adu 1950, very very difficult. So if you like, please take them.
Vijay said hi.
Hi Vijaya ma'am. Vijaya ma'am, I wanted to talk to you regarding that one of the Mangalagiri sarees you have booked. So if you are watching, please message me ma'am. Okay, the next one priced at 3450. It's a dupayon sari, semi, but in antique zari and very very gorgeous.
Shalini said, yeah, this linen cotton is so unique.
Yeah, Shalini, super, rendume super. Okay, so it's a beautiful sari which is priced at, I think I missed the price.
Mintra, sorry, just joined. The price of this, please.
This one is priced at 3450. I think Mintra was asking about the
Previous
earlier
one,
sari
maybe.
that was 1950. This one is 3450.
1950 is the price of the yellow one, right?
Yeah, yellow one is 1950.
Anushanti says super, love this color.
Thank you, Anusha. So yeah, it's a green shade. Okay, that's the pallu. Very unique. This sari is really unique. It has a very different style of a border and mandala motifs, which is very intricately woven. Okay, that's the pallu. Pallu again intricately designed, and it comes with a gorgeous piece of blouse.
Jasmine says very beautiful.
Yeah, look at the blouse work. It's so intricate, very nice. So price of this is 3450. All unique pieces. We have singles in all of these what I'm showing you now.
Anita says summer color.
Summer color. Super
So-
collection, yeah.
Sunita says you look gorgeous in this.
Thank you, Sanita. So beautiful shade. Again, antique zari. Beautiful sari. Romba alaga irukku. And I think more than that sari in this, the design stands out really well. It has beautiful mandala motifs, okay, which is very intricately woven. Romba gorgeous ah irukku. You can wear it for a party or an occasion, special occasion. So beautiful it is. That's the pallu.
Kavya says you're so gorgeous.
Thank you, Kavya.
Lakshmi says super collection.
Thank you. Thank you,
Spurti
Lakshmi.
says awesome collection.
Thank you. Thank you, Spurti. Thanks.
And
Thank you
you-
everyone for joining. So I'm so happy and glad that you people wait for our live session and you join. It really touches us. So yeah, this is the blouse of the sari. Very beautiful blouse.
What material is this?
These are dupayon. The last two what I had shown you is dupayon.
Kani says all saris are too good in Silk Walk Studio.
Thank you, Kani. Thank you. Really means a lot.
Sushma says you look beautiful in all the attire you wear.
Thank you, Shushma.
Shobha says lovely.
Thank you, Shobha ma'am. So guys, we'll start with a few linen sarees. Again, very unique ones. 2750 is the price. Fancy sarees. And it's very flowy, very casual wear, and what do I say? And lightweight, okay?
Asha
So it comes-
says loved all saris.
Hmm.
And Shobha says always admired your taste for pastels.
Thank you, Shobha. Thank you. I think we have been showing a lot of pastels from the past 2 years, I guess. but still that pastel love, is still there. Whenever I find something, whenever I see any pastel colors, it attracts me a lot. So yeah, this is a digital print, floral print sari, and with tissue borders on both sides. That's the pallu. Simple, very simple pallu, and comes with the blouse. That's the blouse. You can go for, I think, a plain blouse in this color. It will be very nice. Okay, 2750 is the price of the sari.
Shobha agrees.
Thank you, Shobha. So one more sari of the same type. So as I told you, all are unique pieces. We only have singles in each of them. We do not have colors, and we do not. Once it is sold, it is sold. We are not restocking any of the colors that I'm going to show you today. So this one is again a beautiful sari. Why I loved it? Because half and half, extraordinary piece. In the side or madri brown shade, in the side or madri rust orange shade. That's the pallu. Beautiful. That's the blouse. Okay, 2750 is the price of the sari. Very flowy, good for summer. So now on demand we are showing you a few semi-silk saris, because a lot of you all have been asking us for semi-silks, and these are priced at 2950.
Anita says awesome collection.
Kanika.
Anita Ramesh.
Anita. Okay, hi Anita, thank you. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is all semi-silk. 2950 is the price. We had shown similar saris earlier. It's a beautiful collection, weightless, not heavy, easy to drape, and it is going to be rich and grand. Okay, 2950 is the price.
Anne says you keep tempting me.
And nethu kota mudinjiruchu podum. Pallu, blouse. Okay, 2950 is the price.
Megha says such a pretty color.
Yeah, it's a beautiful color, blue. 2950 is the price, okay?
Anita says your collections are mind-blowing.
Thank you, Anita. It's all because of y'all, only because of the energy that y'all give, it is keeping us to go forward. It's making us move forward. This is, a sort of a sapota color, chiku color or a champagne color with a blue border. Beautiful shade, pallu.
It's a champagne color, right?
Champagne shade. That's the blouse. Superana shade idu. 2950 is the price. Next one we have a very beautiful pink. Blush pink idu. Beautiful shade with a blue border. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. A beautiful collection. 2950 is the price. Weightless, soft, easy drape. All of these sarees are very easy drape. Now we have one in gold zari, priced at 3150. Beautiful sari, pink and a green. Okay, pink, green borders on both sides. Borders are very beautifully woven, like small buttas over the body. Comes with a contrast pallu and blouse. The pallu is really rich. That, oh, beautiful. Beautiful shade, priced at 3150.
Spurti says I bought the same.
Yeah, but I think different color, right? Or was it the same color? Thank you guys. Thank you for joining today's live. I think everybody enjoyed watching us today, and I hope the sarees that we brought for you is all pleasing for you, and it was nice. So if you have any questions, please raise it now. Or you
Anita
can-
says became a big fan of your collection.
Thank you, Anita. Thank you so much. You can always message us at 7676025364. You can find our WhatsApp number on our bio in Facebook or on Instagram. The number is provided. You can WhatsApp us anytime with your doubts. And if you would like to buy any of our sarees, you can log on to our website, thesilkwalkstudio.com. And we also have a mermaid skirt which is running very fast, getting sold out fast. So if you would like to buy any of the mermaid collection, we have I think 3 or 4, 5 colors, so you can pick any from any of the colors. And please give us your feedback as always. Please send us your photos in our sarees. We would be really happy to have it with us and to share it on our page. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Somebody has come up with a question or what?
Mitra says love the way you remember each and every customer.
Thank you, Mitra. Yeah, I remember my clients more than my I think my friends or relatives. I don't know why, but it's a pleasure to meet a lot of y'all and to speak to each one of them, and it gives me a lot of pleasure in that. So I remember.
Sai Sylvie says pretty collections, all nice.
Thank
Thanks.
you, Sai Selvi. Thank you so much. Because the time we take to speak to our customers is, it's about half an hour or 1 hour with each of our customers. So I remember most of my customers.
Ramya says thanks Joanna, nice live session with you every time.
Thank you, Ramya. Ramya is one person who joins me every live session, so I should really thank her. Thank you so much.
Archana says super collection.
Thank you, Archana. Now even my daughter is getting very familiar with all of my clients, and also it's a family work, teamwork. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.